Where's he at?
Right there.
Who's hurt? Who's hurt?
He's right there.
Come on, let me tell you something. Come on. He's still living? With the white dude?
The white dude doesn't appear to be. They're gonna do their vitals right now. But.
Late afternoon in Jacksonville around 4:30 p.m., when the heat still clings to Pickett Street and neighbors are heading home for the day, a call comes in about a man wandering the area. Something about a knife. Something urgent enough to pull an officer straight into the quiet yard of a brown building. What starts as a routine response quickly gathers a weight that doesn't match the calm of the neighborhood.
Where's he at?
Right there.
Who's hurt? Who's hurt?
He's right there.
Come on, let me tell you something. Come on. Sir.
Where's he at? Where's the other guy?
He's sitting right there by the bush.
The scene ahead was enough to chill anyone, not just us watching afterward, but even the officers standing there in real time. Blood on the ground, and a lifeless body lying still in the yard.
Sir, are you all right? Where? Uniform 647, 1033. Let me see your hands, man. Let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Put your fucking hands up. Put your hands up.
Fuck you. Suck my dick.
Get back. Get back right now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Oh!
Uniform 647, shots fired.
God, please.
He paid for that reckless decision almost instantly, charging an officer while swinging a metal bucket. In that moment, it was clear he wasn't thinking straight. Not even close.
Oh my God.
Push it. Hands behind your back. Watch your muscle. There.
87, give us an update.
Uniform 357, send rescue. 1068. Bravo Mike, 30 years old. Gunshots to the chest. He's also a whiskey Mike. 40 years old. Doesn't appear to be. Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back!
HQ 157, move normal traffic, leave us on this net. 157 that unit, are you 77?
Uniform 647, we're 77, we need rescue over here. I also have an injury to my arm as well. I'm 77 though. Sir, stay with me. Yeah, I'm putting gloves on. You got chest seal.
10-4, any unit that can respond, go ahead and respond, stay off the radio.
Uniform 357, send units to lock down the road. You can't get my clothes on, bro. Relax. Does it clean through? It doesn't appear so. Got it? Yep. Uniform 357. 94. Conduct the CPR. Ah, fuck. Don't worry.
Stay with us. Stay with us. All right, we got rescue. All right, I'm gonna check that.
Uniform 647, get rescue here.
10-4, they're 1051.
They're coming.
Hey, tell them.
Yes, Ruby, they were already 1051 for the 62. I will get an ETA.
See rescue, tell them to come down.
Wait for me here. Wait for me here.
This one, CPR, no. He's 10-7. This one's still kind of breathing. 2 shots to the chest.
157 is spraying on that.
10-4, 157.
Hey, go ahead.
Okay. Hey, we're good.
Hey, put the hands on him to see what we got hurt.
Yeah, he's still breathing.
Where this guy is, this guy's not.
Guys.
He's 30 minutes.
10-4, Delta 4.
Hey, bring those pads over here.
Justin.
Let's get 7.
Get 795, we need you en route.
Yeah, I think so.
1051, sir.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Okay.
I seen him hit you with that bucket and shit like that.
I didn't know what else he had in his other hand there, so.
The D-glove.
Steve, go
Go sit.
I got this. You want to go sit with him?
Yeah, I got it. Make sure it's only on.
On or off?
Huh?
On or off?
Just turn it off.
Contact.
Officers moved in fast, doing everything they could to keep him alive. But it was clear they were running out of time. He collapsed there on the ground, in the very same spot where another man had fallen earlier, the man whose blood was already on his hands.
Fuck, sorry. Stay with us. Stay with us. All right, we got rescue. All right, I'm gonna check that.
Uniform 647, get rescue here.
10-4, they're 1051.
What's their ETA? Hey, tell rescue
Ruby,
to
they
come
were
down
already
here.
1051 for the 62. I will get an ETA.
When you see rescue, tell them to come down.
Wait for me here. Wait for me here.
This one, CPR, no. He's 10-7. This one is still kind of breathing. 2 shots to the chest.
157 is spraying on that.
Hey, go ahead.
Did you? Okay.
God.
Hey, we're good.
You're good, bud. You're good. He's still breathing.
Yeah, this guy is, this guy's not.
Yeah, guys.
30 or less is dead. Hey, bring those pads over here.
Justin.
Let's get 795. We need you in route.
Yeah, I think so.
1051, sir.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Okay.
I seen him hit you with that bucket and shit like that.
I didn't know what else he had in his other hand there, so.
You good? D-glove.
Steve, go
Let's
up.
go sit.
I got this. You want to go sit with him?
Yeah, I got it. All right, make sure to turn your camera off.
On or off?
Huh?
On or off?
Oh, just turn it off. You're good. Hey guys, if you guys don't mind backing up over here, just stay on this side of the telephone pole. They're doing what they need to do, all right?
Yeah, they did. I appreciate you, bro.
All right.
You're good, man.
Just come over to stand over next to court.
Go home. Fuck it.
Hey, well, you were here as a witness, so you guys have to stay, all right?
That type of cat.
Hey.
Check this out. He's still living? The white dude?
The white dude doesn't appear to be. They're gonna do their vitals right now. But
Damn. What about the black
did you
dude?
see what happened with the white dude and the black dude?
Yeah, I did.
All right.
I ain't that kind of dude, though, so Rodriguez, I'm sorry. You probably just started this job.
No, I didn't start this job.
I saw
I need
the
you to
whole
come.
thing.
I need you to come over here, all right?
I'm finna get in my car.
Hey,
You
you can't leave, all right? Because you're a witness to what the black dude did to the white dude, all right? I don't want to put you in cuffs and detain you that way.
So what?
I'm trying to be cool with you, all right?
You can't put me. Listen.
Yes, I
everything cool.
can.
Everything cool. Just,
All right.
just calm down.
You can sit in your car. Just park it over here, all right?
Calm down. Don't talk crazy.
Just grab your car, park over here.
Whiskey 7 have no go. And I have 1 signal 7, 1 trauma red. Ben 26, make sure somebody's at that officer as well, please.
Yep.
Already on it.
Hey, can you detain this guy? Make sure he doesn't go away. He's a witness to the 62.
795.
Take him. Let's just. Like,
Whiskey 7 have no go.
you got it. Yeah. You're gonna buddy. You're gonna be.
I'm just trying to make sure the witness doesn't leave yet.
Hey, come here. Stop.
Make sure he doesn't leave. We're gonna go sit. He's
I got him covered for a second. Just make sure they don't leave. Okay. Sorry. Hey, let me get him some water. You take him.
Yeah, we're gonna go
Let me
sit.
handle this. And, everybody okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Were you involved?
Yeah, I showed up right as we shot.
Were you
so-
involved?
Is that your floodlight?
Yeah, it's mine.
Yeah, the cameras are there.
Where's your car?
Sector 124, signal 76 with Jeopardy,
Buddy, officer, see you soon, okay?
14,670 Duval Road, the Crown Plaza Hotel. Caller found a patient trespassing in hotel and unconscious with 70 degrees on her. Ancient any of the symptoms.
HQ 157.
Hey, you know what that road is down there?
Should
The name of that road?
I have no idea.
Fucking news there, yeah.
So far.
Whiskey 795, you can move normal to another channel.
10-4, we're trying to find a dispatcher.
Yeah.
Is that your PIC, buddy?
No, I don't know who that is. I have a PIC coming. Alright, you good? You got water? You good?
Anybody else? Was anyone else involved? Another officer?
It's just me and him.
No. Did you shoot?
I did not. I had my gun.
By the time the footage was released, the questions were already circulating what happened, what was said, what choices were made in those fast-moving seconds. The investigation now sits under the lens of policy, procedure, and public scrutiny. In Jacksonville, it became another critical incident briefing and another reminder that even a quiet summer afternoon can turn in an instant